Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Today, we're uncovering 20 incredible events that happened on December 13th throughout history. From iconic births to groundbreaking achievements, this lineup is packed with fascinating stories. So sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into these amazing moments. Number 20. Born on December 13th, 1989, Taylor Swift has been shaking off haters and topping charts since her teens. Turning 35 in 2024, the pop sensation has proven that fairy tales can come true, though they may involve a few ex-boyfriends. Number 19. Legendary actor and comedian Dick Van Dyke was born on December 13th, 1925. Turning 99 in 2024, he remains a national treasure, with iconic roles in Mary Poppins and The Dick Van Dyke Show still bringing joy to audiences. Number 18. On December 13, 2003, Saddam Hussein was captured by U.S. forces in Iraq. While not a cause for celebration, his capture was a major political event, marking a turning point in global affairs. Number 17. Jamie Foxx, born December 13, 1967, has dazzled audiences as an actor, comedian, and musician. Turning 57 in 2024, his performances in Ray and Django Unchained solidified his status as one of Hollywood's greatest talents. Number 16. On December 13, 1577, Sir Francis Drake set sail to circumnavigate the globe. His daring expedition made him a celebrity of his time and a permanent fixture in the annals of exploration history. Number 15. Steve Buscemi, born December 13, 1957, has charmed audiences with his unique acting style in roles like Fargo and Boardwalk Empire. Turning 67 in 2024, he continues to prove that character actors can steal the show. Number 14. On December 13, 1981, martial law was declared in Poland, sparking international outrage. This pivotal event galvanized support for human rights and freedom movements around the globe. Number 13. Amy Lee, lead singer of Evanescence, was born December 13, 1981. Turning 43 in 2024, her haunting vocals brought us hits like Bring Me to Life, making her the queen of gothic rock. Number 12. Jerry Maguire, starring Tom Cruise, premiered on December 13, 1996. The film gave us the iconic line, "Show me the money," and became a pop culture staple that still resonates. Number 11. Ben Bernanke, born December 13, 1953, served as chairman of the Federal Reserve during turbulent financial times. Turning 71 in 2024, he remains a key figure in U.S. economic history. Number 10. On December 13, 1989, Driving Miss Daisy premiered, winning hearts and an Academy Award for Best Picture. Starring Morgan Freeman and Jessica Tandy, the film's poignant story continues to resonate. Number 9. Esteemed actor Christopher Plummer was born December 13, 1929. Known for his role in The Sound of Music, he passed away in 2021 at age 91, leaving a legacy of cinematic excellence. Number 8. The Hobbit, The Desolation of Smaug premiered on December 13, 2013, continuing Bilbo Baggins's epic journey. The blockbuster brought Tolkien's world to life, thrilling fantasy fans worldwide. Number 7. On December 13, 2019, Jumanji. The Next Level hit theaters, starring Dwayne Johnson and Kevin Hart. The film's adventurous comedy climbed box office charts, proving audiences love getting lost in a game. Number 6. Mary Todd Lincoln, born December 13, 1818, was First Lady during a tumultuous era in U.S. history. Remembered for her resilience, she stood tall alongside Abraham Lincoln during one of America's most trying times. Number 5. On December 13, 1985, Phil Collins made his U.S. TV acting debut on Miami Vice, playing a game show host. His cameo showcased his versatility and bridged music with television. Number 4. Werner von Siemens, born December 13, 1816, revolutionized technology and industry with his innovations. Founder of Siemens AG, he electrified the world and laid the groundwork for modern engineering. Number 3. Beloved TV dad Alan Thicke, best known for Growing Pains, passed away on December 13, 2016, at age 69. His charm and humor made him a household name and left fans with fond memories. Number 2. Rock musician Ted Nugent was born December 13, 1948. Turning 76 in 2024, his guitar skills and outspoken personality have kept him in the spotlight for decades, proving rock and roll never dies. Number 1. Wassily Kandinsky, pioneering abstract painter, passed away on December 13, 1944, at age 77. His innovative work influenced countless artists, cementing his legacy as a trailblazer in modern art. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through December 13th's history. If you enjoyed these stories, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to Celebrities in History for more fascinating tales, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. There's so much more history to uncover. See you next time.